This is Innovledia.
Hello and welcome back. So, in Maya 2023 and 2024, when bridging between objects, the newly created polygons may appear green, which means they are missing the default shading or the default material. To fix that, we just have to select the object, then right-click and hold, go to Assign Existing Material, and select either the Lambert one here in Maya 2023 or the standard surface one from here in Maya 2024. We can do that to specific faces instead of the entire object if necessary. Alright? So this is something you need to take care of in Maya 2023 and 2024 when you see green polygons appearing in any case, like bridging. Okay? See you in the next video.